Welcome to O'Brien Estate Law LLC's animation video series, where we explore essential topics in estate planning to help you secure your future. In this video, we'll discuss potential issues that can arise from do-it-yourself estate planning. Let's get started. Many individuals consider estate planning as a simple task that can be handled through online templates or DIY kits. However, this approach can lead to significant complications: ambiguity and vagueness, inadequate coverage, improper execution, not considering family dynamics, probate issues. First, ambiguity and vagueness. DIY documents may not adhere to specific state laws, leading to ambiguity that can create disputes among heirs or beneficiaries. Second, inadequate coverage. Some DIY estate plans may fail to include critical components such as trusts, guardianship provisions, or business succession plans, leaving gaps that can lead to legal conflicts. Third, improper execution. Many states have strict requirements regarding the execution of estate documents, including signatures and witnesses. A DIY approach might overlook these essential details, rendering documents invalid. Fourth, not considering family dynamics. Unique family situations, such as blended families or special needs dependents, require tailored solutions. Generic DIY plans often overlook these complexities. Fifth, probate issues. A poorly executed DIY estate plan can lead to prolonged probate processes, resulting in increased costs, public scrutiny, and delays in asset distribution. At O'Brien Estate Law LLC, we believe that effective estate planning is crucial for peace of mind. To avoid the pitfalls of DIY estate planning, consult with an experienced estate planning attorney.